Hi, I'm Dane Mosconi, Regional Sales Manager for Versa. I'm here in Charlotte, North Carolina at Livingston and Haven's headquarters, one of our distributor partners in the Southeast. Let's explore the PowerShift, a featured solution in Versa's real-world reliability product offering, designed to create a robust solution to the build-up problem seen in low-cycle applications. In this video, we'll uncover the features and benefits of this innovative solution tailored to meet the demands of the harshest environments. In industrial applications, reliability is paramount. Many challenges arise from factors like environmental ingress, irregular maintenance, and demanding operating conditions. Meet the PowerShift package, a game changer in tackling real-world challenges. This package is an integral part of our real-world reliability solutions, designed to enhance protection and performance. It combines our strongest return force option with a unique double piston to reduce the minimum shifting pressure. Let's dive into the features that make the PowerShift package stand out. Number 1. It is the ultimate reliability package. With this valve, we have enhanced shifting force for increased protection against stiction. It addresses challenges like ingress of debris and moisture. This valve is ideal for applications with long cycle intervals, low demand usage, and inconsistent maintenance. Second feature to highlight is our dust-proofing technology. The PowerShift package is equipped with dust-proofing for extra protection. It eliminates the weep holes and has internal drilling through the spool. This creates a closed system internally and prevents debris from entering the spring or piston chamber. The third feature we'll talk about is how this valve is a robust solution for low demand usage. We've seen buildup issues in valves with low demand usage, and the PowerShift tackles the problem. It employs a high shift force to overcome obstacles during closure. When the pilot pressure is lost, the strong spring force breaks through any debris, ensuring consistent performance. And finally, number 4, adaptability and compatibility. The PowerShift option has an interchangeable piping footprint, making it easy for integration. It's available in V-Brass, V316, and V-Map product families. It can also be combined with any of our reliability packages for an optimized solution. The PowerShift package redefines reliability in critical processes where failure is not an option. In any application which sees stiction, the PowerShift provides an interchangeable option with the power to blast through any obstacles on its way to closure. Contact us today to explore this new and improved solution. Thank you for joining us. Thanks again for watching. Visit our website and subscribe to our social media to learn more about Versa Solutions.